In our next story, another update from the aesthetic world. It seems Dr. Patrick Treacy will be busy in the next few months lecturing all around the world at medical conferences. In September, he's the keynote speaker at the 5th AIDA conference in Abu Dhabi, and then will attend the British College of Aesthetic Medicine conference in London to present his latest stem cell research on treating burns. Then he's off to the Himalayas in Bhutan to seek a new formulation for the Dr. Treacy Cosmetics brand. In October, he speaks at CCR in London on a new PRP home device called Somi. Somi is a skin rejuvenating product that uses a proprietary blend of ingredients combined with your own platelet-rich plasma, PRP, by your physician to give you a truly personalized cosmetic experience. Then he flies to the TAMC in Dubrovnik. I wonder who's going to win that drinking contest between Nikola Milojevic and Raj Aquila. Things get no easier for him in November as he's a keynote speaker for the Iraqi Dermatology Society at the Palace of Culture in Najaf al-Sharaf. Then he stops off en route to Las Vegas, being the keynote speaker at the American Association of Aesthetic Medicine to attend the Beauty Trophy Awards 2019 in Monaco. That's one hell of a busy schedule. See you all soon for the Christmas edition of Aesthetic Medicine Updates.